Hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, Ken. Good evening, Mary.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, let's have Ken. Ken, how are you tonight?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good to hear. So, did you eat your dinner already?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. How about Mary? Mary, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay. Did you eat your dinner as well, Mary?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So, everybody, are you ready to study?
Yes.
Okay, how about Ken? Are you ready to study, Ken?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So, all right, so now let's continue with our lesson. Let me share my screen first. Okay, can you see the screen, everybody? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, all right. So, last meeting we studied about present perfect tense, right? Okay. Again, what is present perfect tense? Oh,
Eaten. Had eaten.
okay. Let's have first. Okay, wait a minute. Let's have first. Mm, can to read this one? Can. Can you read this one? Can we?
Yesterday, 2 weeks ago.
This one right here in the box.
We cannot use the parent perfect tenses with adverb of time.
Okay, so it says right here that we cannot use present perfect tense with adverbs of time. For example, yesterday, 2 weeks ago. So these words are usually belongs to past tense. Okay, past tense meaning it happens before, or it happens in the past. When we say present tense, it happens now. Okay. Now, present tense. Okay. If we say present perfect tense, it already happened, but it already happened, although it's already happened, but it's still happening. Okay, that's why it's called present perfect, or you can see the result. Okay, so it says right here that we cannot use adverbs of time like yesterday, 2 weeks ago, okay, and present perfect. All right, so now let's continue. Okay, another example. Okay. So for example, this one, I have done my homework yesterday. Okay, so it's already in the past form or in the past tense. Okay? All right. Okay. So all you need to do, okay, the next one is I did my homework yesterday. All right. Okay, now let's have another bunch of examples. Okay, let's have Practice one. Okay. So this one we have to practice whether you are familiar with the present perfect tense. Okay, let's have for example number one. Okay, let's for example make the present tense of make. Okay, the word make is your present tense. Now, if we're going to have it on the past tense, it will make into made. Okay, or it will turn into made. And then the present perfect you have or have made or has made. Okay, let's have number one for let's say Barry. Number two, Ken. Three, Mary. Four, Ken. Five, Mary. Six, Ken. And seven, Mary. Okay, now you can answer. Can you please write on the screen? Okay, Mary, you have to answer number one. Okay, do. What is the past tense of do? Can you write the in the screen?
It's did.
Okay. You answer while Mary is answering number one. You can answer number two. Okay. How about Ken? Can you answer number two? What do you think is the past form and
Is
the okay, the present perfect form of the word tidy?
ready.
Okay, you write it on the screen. Can you write on the screen? All right, Mary, while Ken is answering for number two, you can answer number three. Hello, Dong. All right, wait a moment, okay? Good evening, Dong. Okay, everybody, you go answer. Mary and Kane, uh, Ken, you answer. Then Ken will answer for Mary number five, six, Ken, and Mary number seven. By the way, Dong, did you eat your dinner already? Dong? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, you can answer, Mary, you can answer all the numbers that are assigned to you. So we can check.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Dong. Did you eat your dinner already, Dong?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. All right, so let's see. Let's observe your classmates while answering the practice one or activity one, okay? All right. Ken, how about number two? What is the present perfect tense? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mary is done answering. How about you, Ken? Oh, you have number six. Okay, Don, can you help Ken answer the perfect present tense of the word tidy? This one. You are going to answer the perfect present tense. Present perfect tense, rather. Okay. Ken, how about number six? Paint. Mm-hmm. So we can check this one right here. Paint. What is the past form of the word paint? Dong, you can answer this one, Dong. Right here on the blank. The present perfect of the word tidy. Okay, you can answer this one right here as well and also here. Okay. All right. For Ken, what is the past form of the word paint? This one, number 6. And then for Dong, you have to answer the perfect or the present perfect tense of the word tidy, draw, and paint. So you have to answer the on the blank space. Just just like what Mary answered. Just like this one, has done or have done. Okay. You can don't you can write it on the screen and also can. Mm-hmm. Okay. Everybody done? Okay. I will give you 3 minutes to answer this one. Okay? So we can check and proceed to the next slide. Okay, can you have number 6 left? Okay, you answer number 6. And also, Dong, you have to answer this one. Okay, you have to answer right here. Okay, wait. Right here, here, and here. Mm-hmm. Are you done, everybody? I think Ken and Dong is not answering, so um, let's take a look at the words. Okay, so the practice, okay, to see if you were able to understand what is the present tense and the past tense and the perfect present perfect tense. Okay, so like this one, for example, make the word make. So in past tense, we have made. Okay, so the past tense of make is the word made. And then if we're going to make it into present perfect, you have to have made, or has made. Okay, have made or has made. Okay, now let's see if all your answers are correct. Okay, let's say for example, number one. Okay, this was answered by Mary. Okay, the word do. Okay, she answered did. And her answer for present perfect is have done or has done. Okay, let's see. All right, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, this one is correct. Okay, so the word do is your present tense, and then the past tense of the word do is did. Then to make it into present perfect, you have to have done, or has done. Okay, well done, Mary. Very good for that. Okay, let's have Ken. All right, Ken answer this one. Okay, the word tidy. Okay, the past tense of tidy is. Okay, wait a minute. Tidied. Okay. You, okay, Ken, your answer is like lacking two letters. So, okay. It says right here that if the word ends with the consonant, you have to have, okay, replace the Y into I and add ED. Okay. All right. So the present perfect is have tided or has tided. Okay. Now let's have number three. Okay, this was answered by Mary. Okay, the word ate. Okay. The past tense of the word ate is ate. Okay, all right. Very good. This one is correct as well. And then the present perfect. Okay, very good. I'm sorry, Mary, I deleted it. Okay. The present perfect is have eaten. Okay. Have eaten or has eaten. Okay, this one is correct as well. Okay, good job, Mary. All right, so let's say for let's have Ken for this one, number four. Okay, for number four, okay, the word draw. Okay, the past form of the word draw. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, very good, Ken. And our present perfect, what do you think? Have or has drawn. Okay. Now let's have number five. Okay, the word take. Okay, the past tense is took. All right, very good. And then have has taken. Okay, very good, Mary. You did well. Okay, the word paint. Okay, who wants to answer this one? What is the past tense of the word paint? Let's have Dong. Dong, what do you think is the past tense of the word paint? Mm-hmm. Dong, Dong. What do you think is the past form of the word paint? This one.
Paint.
Paint? Are you sure? What do you think? Okay. What should we add if the letters ends with the consonant? What should we add? We add mhm, what? Okay, we add ed. Okay, so nice try, Dong. All right, let's have Ken for number 6. What is the present perfect of the word paint? Ken, Ken. The word paint, what is the present perfect? Mm-hmm. Has or have painted. Okay, so that is your present perfect. All right. So now let's have number 7. So this one is answered by Mary as well. Now, right. Okay, the word right. Okay, the past tense of the word right, she answered wrote. Okay, so let's see if it's correct. Okay, very good. Okay, so your present perfect has written or have written. Okay, very good. Nice one, Mary. You did understand well the present perfect tenses. Okay, now let's continue for this one. Practice 2. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so let's have Dong for number 8, Ken for number 9, then for Mary, Dong, Ken, and Mary. Dong and Ken. Okay, everybody, please answer. You answer, write it on the screen. Mm-hmm. Okay, you write on the screen just like what you did on the first slide, on the previous slide rather. Can you have to include the has and have. Okay, Dong. How about your answers? Dong. You can answer your number 8, 11, and number 14. Mm-hmm. Okay, you don't know how to write on the screen, Dong? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so all right, I see, I understand. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, now since Dong doesn't really understand our lessons, okay, so this is just a practice, okay? So this one, present, past, and perfect. Okay, present perfect. Okay, we have the word ride. Okay, who can answer this one? What is the past form of the word ride? Everybody who can answer. Mm-hmm. Who can answer? Can and Mary, who wants to help Dong? Mm. What do you think? The word ride, what is the past form of the word ride? Mm-hmm.
Road. Road.
Road, okay. All right. A road. Okay, how about the present perfect? What do you think is the
The present perfect
present perfect?
has ridden.
Okay, all right. Have, has, written. Okay, let's see if these answers were correct. Okay. Okay, the present tense, if we are going to talk about present tense, that means it happens now. Okay, right. Let's say for example, Dong ride a bike. So it happens now. So that is your simple present tense. Okay. When we say past tense, it already happened. Okay. It already happened. So your past tense is rode. Okay, when we say the past tense of the word ride is the word rode. Okay, now your present perfect is have ridden or has ridden. Okay, very good. Nice one, Mary. Thank you for helping Dong. All right, let's have number two. Number nine, rather. Number nine for. Okay, this one was answered by Ken. All right, the word swim, the past tense of the word swim, he answered swam. Okay, let's see if it's correct. Okay, very good. Swam. Okay, now if we are going to make it into present perfect. Okay, hello everybody. Okay, I'm really sorry I get out. So now let's continue. Okay. So this one, oh, your answers were all erased. Okay, can you answer this one again, everybody? Can you answer? Okay. Okay, instead of answering, let's answer this one. Okay, since you have your answers. Okay, so we have number nine. So the past tense of the word swim is swam. Okay, your present perfect is have swum or has swum. Okay, all right. Now this time, let's have number 10. Okay, sweep. All right. Okay, let's answer this one, okay? Okay. All right, so the word sweep. Okay, you have the past tense of sweep is swept. Okay, your present perfect is have or has swept. Okay, number 11, you have there move. Okay, move. So, according to the rule, if the letter or the word ends with a vowel, okay, this one is a vowel, so we only add D. All right. Okay, so your present perfect is have or moved or has moved. Okay, now let's see for number 12. See. All right, your past tense is saw, and then your present perfect is have seen or has seen. All right, now let's have number 13. Speak. Your past tense is spoke. The present perfect is have spoken or has spoken. Okay, number 14, cook. Then present perfect, have cooked or has cooked. Another one, 15, break. Your past tense is broke. Present perfect, have broken or has broken.